So this morning I spent like 30 minutes searching for my flip-flops. I was searching everywhere. Our villa is so large, and it ended up being in our room. Their room. Oh god, it was such a mess. I was frantically looking for my flip-flops, but I found them. We just had an awesome breakfast at the Maya Ubud breakfast selection at their cafe.
So good!
The breakfast was so good. Just the layout of the fresh fruits, the juices. There's a chef cooking right there, right in front of you. Oh my god, everything was just so perfect there, and I love the pastries. The pastries were absolutely delicious. And I'm with Miss Lauren today, and we are going to be doing a tour around Ubud. I haven't been around Ubud in over a year. You've never been to Ubud?
Nope.
Yeah, and Ubud is super beautiful, so our tour guide should be here any second now. There's the team. Oh, you're eating breakfast. That's what you said. Okay. Here, let's get them in action eating breakfast. This is our guys eating breakfast.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, we eat rice.
Rice, yeah. Welcome to Asia. Come on.
Rice.
Love rice. No rice, no power, yeah?
There you go.
I'm Julie. I'm a driver from Bali Natural Tour.
All right.
Gusti, yeah. We grow up together.
Awesome. So we got the two partners in crime today.
First, we're going to rice field. We call Tegalalang Rice Terrace.
Awesome.
Yeah, that is with a beautiful view, and the terrace here looks so beautiful.
Magasi made it to the rice terrace.
It's better Tegalalang. It's most famous Tegalalang.
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 The Tegalalang rice terrace. All right. Yeah, so we're at the rice terrace. I've been here before, but it was like off the side of the street. I think that was the last time we were here. We parked on the side of the street, and it was just right there, about here. Oh, okay. I thought you said ding dong. I was like the music. I honestly couldn't hear him. I honestly thought he said ding dong. The entrance to the rice terrace is around 10,000 Indonesian rupees, which is around 80 cents, and it's all covered by Bali Natural Tours if you sign up for a tour with them.
It's one of the things I didn't realize when we first came here was that all these monuments and places require money just to come to the beaches, things like that. So you constantly have to have
like a buck or two,
20,000 rupee available. So it's nice when you sign up for a tour. It's just you sign up and they take care of it.
Oh my goodness, this is spectacular. Holy god. What do you? Yeah.
Go.
Oh my goodness. Wow. This is the second largest rice terrace, right? Okay. So there's a lot of some steps over here. You get to trek down, you get to explore the rice fields. It's kind of like makeshifty steps. Oh, careful. Ooh, you okay? Oh yeah, that's a big dragonfly. This is so beautiful.
The bugs are bigger.
Yeah, there's a lot of bugs out here, so this is the rice fields for you. Oh, we got some awesome cinematics, some awesome drone flights. So it costs 10,000 Indonesian rupees, and you can go to that side of the rice terrace. Oh, time to go back up. One last breath. That was awesome.
That was so much fun.
That was so much fun. We traded off the vineyards for the rice fields here. Just as beautiful, I feel like. All right, we made it to our second stop, coffee plantation.
Welcome to Alasarum Agrotourism. Sorry, where do you come from?
California.
Here also, we produce the coffee with unique process.
Okay.
Have you heard about the luwak coffee?
They poop it out, right? I love their poop. That's a luwak. He looks so friendly.
Oh, luwak. The animal, they eat the coffee bean.
Okay.
And they digest it in the stomach 12 hours and they're dropping out in the morning. Because they are nocturnal animals.
Ah, okay. This is like my absolute favorite part. In Bali, when you're coffee tasting, after you do a little coffee plantation tour, it's free coffee tasting, free tea tasting. I'm so stoked. And this is the coffee tasting setup that they have. See you later, cutie. Oh, okay, well, my finger is actually there. You got me. We ended up leaving the coffee plantation and made way to the first of the 4 art villages for the day, the Mas village known for wood making. It was extremely impressive seeing the quality, craftsmanship, and detail of their work. It really makes you appreciate art much more. All right, thank you. All right, so we are at the Teganungan waterfalls. I think that's how you say it. There's a lot of people here. It looks like it costs around 15,000 Indonesian rupees to get in, so that's like $1, like $1.05, $1.10. But we are at the waterfall now. A lot of shops that greet you. Here's the ticket booth. A lot of businesses are up since last time I was here. And then here's the start of the waterfall. Wow, it's so powerful. Look at that. How many steps is this?
165.
165, okay. Yeah. 165 and we're good.
Yesterday was leg day.
I'm gonna cramp up.
Yesterday was leg day, I'm in trouble.
So yeah, this is one of the most famous waterfalls in all of Bali, the only waterfall in Ubud. It's completely different than last time I was here. I was here about a year ago, and I guess it flooded in the last year and it completely changed everything down there. Everything's changed, everything looks different. So this is the baby Teganungan waterfall. The baby one's over there and the big one's over there. There's a little swing there too. Oh, this is awesome. All our stuff is right there. My camera's getting soaked. Oh wow, yeah, this changed entirely. All these were not here last time. Yeah, everything looks so different. There's a flood that changed everything. Damn nature, you're vicious.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
we got so many good shots at the waterfall. I'm trying not to fall with all my gear right now. I got an awesome drone flight. It's always an awesome drone flight when the drone comes back. There's like a little pool over here that people are hanging out in right there. And we're gonna check it out real quick. That was super refreshing. Dunked the full body in, felt great. We're gonna get some lunch, and I think after we're gonna head to a temple. Wow, yum. Good toilet. Makasih. So we made it to the Batuan temple. It is just on the outskirts of Ubud. That's a good color. I like that. Makasih. It's kind of a tradition when you're going to a lot of these temples out in Southeast Asia, just to cover up your legs, cover up your skin. I told you I was gonna get the pink one.
Yeah, you get the pink one.
So intricate.
It is absolutely intricate. It is beautiful, these designs. This is the second part of the temple?
Second part of the temple.
Okay.
We have a 3 part of the temple. It's we call Palemahan, Pawongan, and then Paryangan. So
Okay.
this we are Pawongan, that's the second one. Palemahan is outside.
Okay.
Pawongan here, the Paryangan is the main one, place for the prayer.
Okay. So they fixed it all up and they made it a lot prettier.
But this one,
This one's the main one. What's the name of this temple again?
Batuan temple.
Batuan temple?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are like Balinese instruments. It's funny, so there's just like one little section over there. There's like 4 people using a section like this. These are all the Balinese instruments. You're a superstar, right? And we're going to do our last stop, which is 3 different art villages. First, we're going to check out a village which is known for having gold and silver. The second one will be about sarongs. And the third art village we're checking out is about different paintings, so. We weren't allowed to record while in the shops, but we were able to witness the process of creating jewelry, sarongs, and paintings from start to finish. Being able to see the process from the beginning is a humbling experience. You really respect how much work is put into each product. Ubud is known for art and culture, and it really shows. Thank you very much for everything. We appreciate it. Thank you very much. That was a lot of fun today. All right, we made it back to Maya Ubud. That was an awesome day running around Ubud with Bali Natural Tours. We did their Hidden Sensational Tour, which is around 850,000 Indonesian rupees. That's around $62. I'm gonna make sure I don't trip. So they drive you everywhere. That includes parking, that includes all the entrance fees, and it was an awesome day with Bali Natural Tours. We just made it back to the villa.
Amazing. We had a lot of spots.
Yeah, no, it was great. One of my favorite parts about today, about the tour, let's say, everything's super close to each other. So all the spots that we're hitting, the waterfall, the temples, the coffee shops, everything was within 10, 15, 20 minute drive. So it was an awesome day, Hidden Sensational Tour, all around Ubud. Ubud's
I think
amazing.
we nailed it today, yeah?
Yeah, nailed it.
Nailed it!
Good work. Today was great. After you.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm never gonna get sick of this entrance.
How are you?
Oh! What's going on, brother?
What's up, buddy? Welcome. How's it going, dude?
Yeah, so I think we're just gonna hang out at the villa tonight, chill out at the villa, get some room service, and enjoy this presidential villa for one last night. And yeah, I think we have 7 a.m. yoga tomorrow. I have tennis from 8 to 9. And yeah, I'm super excited to head to the sister resort of Maya Ubud tomorrow. They're gonna be taking us on a shuttle. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys haven't yet, hit that like button. If you guys are new, welcome to the channel. If you guys have any questions about Ubud, any of the tours so far, comment down below. Hit that notification bell also so you guys are notified for the next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till the next one.